Hey everyone, I am Lareb Jahanzeb, your instructor. Welcome to the very first lesson of the Content Writing Mastery course. If you are listening right now, you've already taken your first step towards something powerful. Something that can transform the way you think, write, and even earn online. Let's be honest, writing online often looks simple, right? You scroll through a blog, read an email, see a caption or a quote, and move on. But behind each of those words is a strategy, a voice, and yes, a writer. Someone planned that message. Someone knew who they were speaking to. Someone chose those words to connect with you. That's what we're here to learn. Content writing isn't just typing fast or knowing fancy words. It's the ability to connect with people using language, whether they're reading a blog, browsing a product page, or swiping on their phone. In this course, we'll break things down step by step. No fluff, no jargon, just practical, clear skills you can start applying right away. And this first lesson sets the foundation. We'll answer two big questions. What exactly is content writing? And why does it matter in today's digital world? If you're someone who's ready to write online, build a personal brand, freelance, or work with businesses, this is your launchpad. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's unlock the world of content writing together. Let's break it down. What exactly is content writing? In its simplest form, content writing is the process of planning, writing, and editing content for the internet. That includes everything from blog posts and newsletters to social media captions and web pages. Think about this, if it lives online and it communicates with people, a content writer probably helped create it. So what kind of content are we talking about? Let me give you a quick list. Blog articles, like 10 ways to stay productive. Website pages, like an About Us or Services page. Email newsletters, those regular updates from brands or creators. Product descriptions, yes, someone writes the details you read before clicking, add to cart. Social media content, the clever captions, informative carousels, and storytelling posts. Scripts, like the very one you are listening to right now. Each of these formats serves a purpose. Some inform, some entertain, some persuade. But here's the secret, they all rely on the same foundation, effective communication. And guess what? Content writing isn't about being a grammar genius. It's not about using big words. It's about clarity. It's about using the right words to solve a problem, answer a question, or guide a decision. That's why content writers aren't just writers, we're problem solvers, researchers, translators of ideas into words. And the better you get at this, the more valuable you become in today's digital economy. Now let's zoom out and talk about the why. Why does content writing matter? Let's say you run a business, or you are building a personal brand, or launching a product. How do you explain what you do? How do you connect with your audience? How do you build trust with strangers on the internet? The answer to all of that is content. Let me walk you through 3 powerful reasons why content writing is essential today. 1. Content builds trust. When a business shares helpful blogs, detailed facts, and valuable emails, people start to trust them. Think of brands like HubSpot, Canva, or even local ones in your area. If they teach you something useful, answer your questions, or share a story that resonates, they earn credibility. Though, content drives traffic. Thanks to search engines like Google, a good blog post can attract thousands of visitors every month, without running ads. This is called organic traffic, and it's gold for businesses. 3. Content leads to sales, without being salesy. Great content educates first. It helps the reader. And in doing so, it creates awareness, interest, and eventually, conversion. Have you ever read a how-to guide and then clicked on a tool it recommended? That's content doing its job. So here's the takeaway, content writing is not fluff. It's strategic. It's powerful. It's the backbone of digital marketing. No ads, no websites, no product pages without content. And every single business that wants to grow online, they need someone like you, a writer who understands how to communicate with their audience. Let's take all the theory we've learned so far and make it real. If you've ever wondered, where do content writers actually work? This is for you. Let's start with something simple. You go to Google and type, how to fix a flat tire. You click on the first or second result. You find a helpful article, maybe with pictures, maybe with steps, and you think, wow, this really helped. Guess what? A content writer created that. They researched the topic. They wrote in simple language. They followed SEO guidelines so you'd find that blog in the first place. Next example, Instagram. Ever seen a skincare brand post a beautiful carousel that says, 5 habits that are secretly damaging your skin? Each slide is short, punchy, well designed. You swipe through, you learn something. That content, likely scripted by a writer, working with a design team. Or maybe it was a freelancer doing it all. Now, let's move to LinkedIn. You see a post from a startup founder, explaining their journey from struggling to success. The post gets thousands of likes and shares. But here's the twist, it might have been ghostwritten. Ghostwriting is when a writer creates content on behalf of someone else, without taking public credit. It's common in business, politics, personal branding, and yes, content writing. See the pattern? Writers are everywhere. Every YouTube video that starts with a clear script? That's a writer. Every app that shows onboarding tips in friendly language? Writer. Every product page that makes you want to click, buy now? Writer. And the more you start to notice it, the more you'll see just how many industries rely on content writers. Healthcare, education, finance, travel. This is not just some side skill, it's a full-blown career path that touches almost every industry. The best part? It's remote-friendly, flexible, and constantly growing. So, what do you actually need to become a successful content writer? Let me start by saying, you do not need a degree in English. You don't need to be a native speaker. You don't even need to be a perfect writer right now. What you do need are these 6 core skills. 1. Clear, concise writing. Your job isn't to sound smart. It's to sound clear. Can a 14-year-old understand what you wrote? If yes, you are doing great. Though, researching and organizing information. You'll often write about topics you don't know much about. That's okay. Writers aren't always experts, but they become experts through great research. 3. Adapting your tone. One client might want you to sound friendly and fun. Another might need formal, technical writing. Being able to switch tones is like having a superpower. 4. Understanding basic SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is how you help your content get found on Google. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Just understand keywords, formatting, and structure. 5. Editing and proofreading. Great writing is rewriting. Spelling, grammar, flow. You'll polish all of this before submitting your work. 6. Time management. Deadlines matter, especially when freelancing. You'll often have to juggle multiple projects, so learning to plan, schedule, and deliver on time is critical. And here's the best news, none of these skills are natural talents. They're all learnable, and that's exactly what this course is for. By the end of these 30 lessons, you'll not only understand these skills, you'll practice them. You'll write blogs, captions, outlines, and more, using real-life briefs. Because this course isn't just about learning. It's about doing. And trust me, you've got what it takes. Let's turn knowledge into action. Here's your very first writing task. Don't worry, it's short, simple, and even fun. Your goal? Write a 100-word explanation of what content writing is. But here's the twist. Explain it like you're telling a friend. That means, checkmark no complex words, checkmark no pressure to sound smart, checkmark no googling fancy definitions. Just talk, through writing. Imagine this, your friend messages you and says, hey, you're doing that content writing course, right? What even is content writing? And you reply in a voice note or text message. Now put that tone into a written paragraph. This exercise does 2 important things. 1. It helps you write like you speak, which is the #1 skill for engaging writing. Though, it helps you build writing confidence, because even short writing counts as progress. Here's a pro tip, set a timer for 10 minutes. Write your 100-word piece. Then read it aloud. Does it sound natural? Does it flow? If yes, perfect. If not, try again. And once you're happy with it, share it. Post it in the comments. DM it to a writer friend. Or send it to me. Because writing is a skill that grows only with use. And this small step? It's your official start. Let's slow down and reflect on what we've learned today. This first lesson was all about laying the foundation. Let's recap the key takeaways. You learned what content writing actually is, planning, writing, and editing for the internet. You understood how content writers are everywhere, behind blogs, captions, ads, and more. You discovered why content matters, because it builds trust, drives traffic, and leads to sales. You got real-world examples, from Google to Instagram to LinkedIn. You explored the core skills needed, from writing clearly to understanding SEO, and finally, you completed your first writing task. Now, here's something important to remember. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. The best content writers are the ones who keep learning, keep writing, and keep experimenting. You don't need to write for 10 hours a day. You just need to write every day. Even if it's 5 minutes. Even if it's a rough draft. Because each sentence makes you sharper. Each edit makes you stronger. Each post, blog, or caption is a step closer to mastery. So today, celebrate your progress. You didn't just consume content. You learned, you reflected, and you created. And that's what makes you a writer. Congratulations, you've completed lesson 1 of the Content Writing Mastery course. You've done more than most people who just think about writing. You showed up, you listened, you took notes, you wrote. Now let's talk about what's next. In lesson 2, we'll dive deep into a real writing task, how to write a full article from start to finish. That means choosing a topic, researching it, outlining your ideas, writing a strong intro and conclusion, formatting it for blogs or LinkedIn. This will be your first full-length writing project, and I'll guide you step by step. So make sure you are following, subscribed, and have notifications on, whether you are on YouTube, Instagram, or inside our private writing community. Before you go, here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment telling me why you want to become a content writer. Save this lesson to come back to when you feel stuck. Finish your 100-word task and share it with one person. This course isn't about passive learning. It's about building a habit. And if you keep showing up, one day you'll look back and realize you've become the writer you used to admire. So, ready for lesson 2? Let's build your writing career, one word at a time. See you there.